Hi, welcome to session 4, and this week we'll be working on our pro forma dealer statements. Now by this time you should already have your groups established and the dealership or dealership group that you're going to be working with identified, and you should in fact have at least 3 year-end statements to work with. Now what you're going to be doing is taking these 3 year-end statements and looking at the trends and history of the dealership and then trying to project forward for 5 years what you believe that dealership may do in terms of an income statement performance. Now, you should build your assumptions and build your trends based on history, but also think about some of the things that we talked about in forecasting last week, that cone of uncertainty, in terms of what might happen in the next 5 years. You should also be thinking about the methodology that you're going to use in establishing these dealership pro formas. And remember that you're going to have 4 or 5 or 6 different profit centers that you're going to have to project for each dealership in the group or for the dealership that you've selected. Now to help you, I'm going to set up virtual office hours on Tuesday and Thursday evening from 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can try to drop in using nefsys.com, and I'll be in the conference room ID Y292. You can also call ahead and set up an appointment. And if you're working alone, I'd be glad to meet with you alone. I'd be glad to meet with full groups at that time or just members from a group. But any kind of help that you're going to want in establishing and getting started on these pro formas, Tuesday and Thursday evening from 9 to 10 is when I'm going to make myself available to help you. Of course, if your schedule doesn't work for that, let me know and we'll try to set up something else. I'm also going to keep the discussion board open from last week and have you continue that discussion about the assumptions and methodology that you're going to need in order to complete a 5-year pro forma for your dealership income statement. I'm also going to add a separate question about what did you learn from the Butler case, either by reading it and understanding it or by writing it up, that will help you build your pro formas. So again, I'll be available on Tuesday and Thursday night from 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Nefsys, conference room ID Y292, and you can also call or contact me through email. Other than that, have a great week, and we will talk to you soon.